Greetings, adventure lovers. We're Roger and Brenda, and Ride Ohio is our passion project where we share our motorcycle experiences. Every mile on the road tells a story.
A lot of Mayberry content. Yeah. Why is it? Look at all these stuff. It is. I'll tell you, I'd love to comment on one of the videos.
I am waiting.
This why do you take video?
For a bus at the end of the night.
Enjoy the scenery and that. Some people don't get a chance to ride like this.
Red-faced flame by the light. Gone away.
That's gonna be one of my questions for you later.
Gone away.
Why do you like doing it?
Gone away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day.
The camera keeps shutting off or something.
Must be somewhere. Welcome me into the fold. Blooming flowers.
Well, I'm glad I got the other camera.
As much as I can
Those
hold.
group things.
I'm gone away.
Oh, it's black out.
Gone away.
Yeah.
Gone away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day for me. A brand new day for love. Brand new day for me. Brand new day for love. Yeah, I'm motorboating.
key or
for
something when I'm like
love. Brand new day for me.
Stop being
Brand
that hour.
new day for love. Brand new day for me. Brand new day for love. Yeah.
Shit. My camera, I said I went off.
I'd like to jump back on.
That's awesome. Get the work done today. That was just
I lost you.
I said my camera went out again, so it's all up to you.
I said you have a umpteen cameras. What matters?
It doesn't. That's what I said. Glad I have the other camera. I like when we first started out, only one camera and Sturgis, you know.
Yeah.
One goes up, and got the other one.